Imagine being 61 years old, yet looking and feeling like you're in your 20s. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Donnie Yen, the martial arts legend, is defying age in ways that will absolutely shock you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, we'll reveal the one daily habit that has kept him not just looking young, but feeling invincible. Something you can start doing today. Who is Donnie Yen? Donnie Yen is more than just a martial artist. He's a global icon. Born on July 27, 1963 in Guangzhou, China, Donnie rose to fame not only for his exceptional martial arts skills, but also for his captivating performances in films like Ip Man. As an actor, director, producer, and martial artist, Donnie has broken barriers and inspired millions worldwide. But here's the kicker. Despite being in his 60s, Donnie Yen still looks and feels younger than most people in their 30s. How is this possible? Well, it turns out that Donnie's secret isn't a miracle treatment or some expensive anti-aging serum. His youthful energy and physique are the result of lifestyle choices that anyone can adopt. Let's dive into the incredible habits that have allowed Donnie to stay in peak physical shape, mentally sharp, and forever young. Donnie's philosophy on aging: age is just a number. When most people hit their 60s, they start slowing down physically and mentally. But Donnie Yen isn't most people. He has an entirely different outlook on aging. To him, age is just a number. Age is just a number. You have to tell yourself, age doesn't define me, says Donnie. Donnie firmly believes that how we age is determined by our mindset and the choices we make every day. It's not about the years passing by, but about how we take care of ourselves and how we choose to live. This powerful mindset has been key to his success and longevity, not just in martial arts, but in all aspects of life. So what does Donnie's approach to staying youthful look like in practice? Let's start with the foundation of it all, his diet. Secret number 1, the power of a balanced diet. Donnie's diet is simple yet highly effective. He believes in balance, opting for whole, nutrient-dense foods while avoiding processed junk and empty calories. His eating philosophy can be summed up in one word: moderation. Breakfast. For breakfast, Donnie starts his day with seeded bread topped with salmon, half an avocado, and 3 poached eggs. This combination is rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help keep him full and energized. Snack. As a mid-morning snack, he enjoys a bowl of flax seeds mixed with strawberries or blueberries, hemp seeds, and a tablespoon of peanut butter mixed with cashew milk. This snack is packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, and healthy fats, key ingredients for brain health and youthful skin. Lunch. For lunch, Donnie typically has chicken or tuna with 3 tablespoons of rice and broccoli. Sometimes he adds some French fries for a little treat. Dinner. For his evening meal, Donnie prefers chicken or fish, accompanied by a variety of vegetables and carbs like rice. Occasionally, he enjoys a slow-cooked Thai or Indian chicken curry. Snacks. If Donnie gets hungry between meals, he grabs a handful of almonds, walnuts, or an apple. Simple yet effective snacks that provide plenty of nutrients and energy. Donnie's approach to food focuses on balance and variety. He emphasizes the importance of incorporating good fats, protein, and fiber into each meal to maintain optimal health. But that's not all. He makes sure to drink enough water to keep his body hydrated. Secret number 2, staying hydrated. Hydration plays a huge role in how Donnie stays so youthful. He drinks 3 liters of water every day. And while that might sound like a lot, it's essential for maintaining skin elasticity, joint health, and muscle recovery. But Donnie's hydration routine doesn't stop with just water. Occasionally, he enjoys coffee and, on rare occasions, a glass of high-quality red wine. This balance helps him stay hydrated while still indulging in his favorite drinks from time to time. Donnie's advice: drink plenty of water every day, but don't forget to balance it with what makes you happy. Secret number 3, Donnie's exercise routine. Of course, it wouldn't be a Donnie Yen fitness routine without plenty of physical activity. At 61, Donnie is still incredibly active, and his workouts are key to maintaining his strength, flexibility, and agility. Donnie's exercise routine isn't just about lifting heavy weights. Instead, he focuses on functional fitness that keeps his body moving like it did when he was younger. Here's a breakdown of his weekly workout routine. Monday, upper body calisthenics, push-ups, pull-ups, and other bodyweight exercises that target the arms and back. Tuesday, running. Donnie runs for about 40 minutes, switching between high and low intensities. He sometimes adds hill sprints for a burst of energy. Wednesday, core workout with cardio. This includes exercises like planks, leg raises and crunches with cardio intervals to keep the heart rate up. Thursday, leg day. Donnie targets his legs with exercises that work on strength and mobility. Friday, climbing. Donnie enjoys rock climbing as a fun way to challenge his full body. Saturday, another upper body workout similar to Monday's routine. Sunday, group workouts. Donnie enjoys training with friends, turning fitness into a social activity. But Donnie's workouts don't stop there. He also prioritizes stretching and flexibility training. He firmly believes that flexibility is key to avoiding injuries and maintaining mobility, especially as we age. Secret number 4, the importance of rest and recovery. Donnie is no stranger to pushing his body to the limit, but he also knows the importance of recovery. While some people think that rest days are unnecessary, Donnie is all about taking a break when needed. He understands that consistent training without rest can lead to burnout and injury, so he makes sure to listen to his body. I rest when I need to. Sometimes a break is the best way to keep your body performing at its best, Donnie says. This balanced approach to fitness allows him to maintain his agility and strength while avoiding overexertion. It's clear that Donnie doesn't believe in pushing himself too hard, and this mindful approach to fitness is one of the reasons he's stayed in such great shape for so long. Secret number 5, mental clarity and positive mindset. While diet and exercise are essential, Donnie knows that his mental health is just as important as his physical health. He's always maintained a positive attitude and believes that mental clarity plays a huge role in staying young. Your mindset is the most important thing when it comes to health and fitness. If you stay positive, your body will follow, he says. Donnie practices mindfulness to stay grounded and reduce stress. He firmly believes that if you keep a positive outlook on life, it will reflect in your physical appearance. It's no surprise that his youthful energy is a direct result of his positive mindset and his ability to stay present in the moment. So far, we've unlocked Donnie's diet and workout secrets. But here's the million-dollar question. What's the real reason Donnie still looks and feels like he's in his 20s? Well, we're about to reveal a mind-blowing secret that he practices every single day. And trust us, it's a game changer when it comes to aging. Something so simple, yet so powerful. Keep watching to learn this life-altering tip. Supplements and special tips from Donnie. In addition to his diet and exercise, Donnie also takes certain supplements to support his overall health and performance. One of the key supplements he uses is magnesium. Magnesium is essential for muscle recovery, reducing stress and improving sleep. Donnie also believes in the power of cocoa, not just for its mood-boosting properties, but because it's also great for skin health. Cocoa is rich in magnesium and antioxidants, which help keep skin elastic and hydrated, while also reducing the signs of aging like sunspots and wrinkles. But that's not all. Donnie also takes omega-3 fatty acids for joint health and vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, especially as we age. Donnie's motivation and daily practices. For Donnie, staying motivated comes down to consistency and setting achievable goals. He says that the secret to his success is making fitness and health a daily practice, surrounding himself with positivity, and keeping a clear visual goal in mind. Quote, "Life reveals its mystery to those who appreciate it." It's all about finding joy in every moment. He also encourages others to avoid comparing themselves to others and instead focus on improving their own achievements. Donnie's focus is always on bettering himself, not competing with others. This mindset has been key to his enduring success. Breaking the age barrier, how Donnie defies expectations. Donnie Yen isn't just defying the laws of aging, he's actively challenging the societal expectations of what it means to grow older. He refuses to conform to age-related limitations and instead continues to push boundaries, both physically and mentally. He's a true example of how you can break free from societal norms and live life on your own terms, regardless of your age. Donnie Yen is living proof that age is just a number. His diet, exercise routine and positive mindset have kept him youthful and energetic, even at 61. And the best part? You can start adopting these habits today and feel just as strong and youthful as Donnie does, no matter your age. If you're ready to take control of your health and well-being, like Donnie, drop a comment below and let us know what habits you're going to incorporate into your life. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share it with someone who needs some inspiration to stay young at heart. Join us next time as we explore more secrets from the world's top health and fitness icons. Stay healthy, stay youthful, and remember, age is just a number.